this is Creepy James. Lifelong Oh, really? It's criminal. He claims to love mine, but he publicly embarrasses her on a daily basis. In reality, James is a cryptic sexual pervert. Oh my god. So he is very dangerous, brother Belly. Let's hear what her real thinks about his fake LDR.
You know it's so beautiful, man, about mine. First of all, she's a beautiful piece of pussy, right? She's a beautiful piece of pussy, right? She's a beautiful piece of pussy, right?
Piece of pussy. Piece of pussy.
Really into it. We just gotta go ahead and she's a good-looking lady. Let's put it down.
I don't know. I don't know him. Thank God he's not at my live. But actually, when I'm gonna visit here, maybe we're gonna visit here or message on the Facebook. I know the face already.